Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage Medicare plans with Aetna step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Aetna Medicare website. Log into your Aetna account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the register button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the My Plans section. Here, you'll find an overview of your current Medicare plans. Review the details of your coverage, including benefits and premium amounts. To make changes to your plan, select the Change Plan option. You will see available plan options based on your eligibility. Click on each plan to compare benefits, costs, and coverage areas. Once you've chosen a plan, select the Enroll button. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and provide any necessary information. If you need assistance during this process, use the live chat option for real-time support. You can also call Aetna's customer service for help with any questions. After enrolling, you'll receive a confirmation email summarizing your changes. Make a note of any important dates or deadlines related to your plan. To manage your healthcare providers, navigate to the Find a Provider section. Input your location or the type of provider you need. A list of in-network providers will appear for your selected specialty. If you need to pay your premium, go to the Payments section. You can set up automatic payments or make a one-time payment. Keep track of your claims by visiting the Claims tab. Here, you can view the status of recent claims submitted. For each claim, you can see details about services rendered and payment status. If there's an issue with a claim, follow the instructions to appeal or dispute it. Stay updated on any changes to your plan using the Notifications feature. Make sure to review your plan annually during the open enrollment period. Always read any correspondence from Aetna regarding your plan or benefits. If you need to contact customer service, have your member ID handy for quicker assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.